Alrighty, well, first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the taco shells for the taco bowls. Now I have here some 10-inch tortilla shells, and I have some of these ramekins. You can pick these up on my Amazon. I'll leave a link for it in the description below. They come 4 to a pack. Leave a comment down below. I'll make some chicken pot pies using these ramekins. So if you'd like to see how that gets done, leave a comment, let me know. But go ahead and just form the taco shells right in just like that into the ramekins. Now you'll see I have paper towels separating the taco shells. Makes it so much easier when they're in the bag. You just take them out because they will sweat and stick together. Go ahead and get these in. Now I got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. We're going to put these in the oven for about 15-20 minutes, looking to get nice and golden brown. All right, so now that we have our ramekins in the oven and our taco shells are browning up, we'll go ahead and we're going to cook the beef. I'm going to take a little bit of avocado oil. That's a little bit. Now, today we're going to be using 8515 grass-fed ground beef, and this is a 1-pound container. This will make 4 of those taco shells. We'll get that cooked up. Alrighty, while this is browning up here, go ahead and season up with a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt and pepper. We'll let this finish browning up. Alrighty, so now that our ground beef is nearly completely cooked, this is the secret ingredient to making my taco salads. Sloppy Joe sandwich mix. Pour that right on in there, like that. Give that a good mixing through. You can use taco salad mix and all, taco mix and all that. But this stuff here is just one-shot deal. You don't have to go through all that mess of buying taco mixes and stuff. That Sloppy Joe mix has all kinds of good seasonings in it. And just let that cook just like that. We're going to put a lid on it. Then we're going to bring you over, and we're going to make up the condiments that go to our taco salads. Alrighty, guys, let's go ahead and get the condiments done up here. I have some cherry tomatoes. I love these. These are the best. And we're just going to go ahead and chop them up. All right, tomatoes are done. Go ahead and move on to lettuce. Now, there's a little controversy here with lettuce. Some people tell you, oh, iceberg lettuce is the best. Other people tell you that, oh, you should go with romaine lettuce. Guys, go with the lettuce you like the most. I like romaine lettuce. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go ahead and break off the top of the head right there. Put them over there. And then I'm just going to take and we're just going to chop it up in thin strips. All right, now that we got our tomatoes done, we got our lettuce done, we're going to go with the onion. I like red onion for that. So go ahead and just chop the red onion up. Cut it in half. And now you can chop it into small pieces. I like more of a julienne style. All right, let's go ahead and pull our taco bowls out of the oven. Yeah, nice and golden brown. They're going to be perfect. Get these on a cooling rack, let them cool off for a few seconds. Alrighty, so now that our taco shells have cooled down a little bit, we can touch them. Go ahead and build these taco salads. What is it called? Sloppy Joe mix. We'll go ahead and we'll just put 2 nice scoops in each one. All right, let's garnish them up. Take that little bit of shredded cheddar cheese. I'll just put that right over top. Double out a little bit of sour cream right on top of that. You don't have to if you don't want to, but sour cream is good. Come on, get off of there. Thank you. Now, not everybody likes this, but I'm going to chop mine with some mild banana peppers. There you go, guys. Taco salad. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check me out on my Amazon, and I'll leave it, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description below for those ramekins. You can pick them up, make your own little taco salads, and make yourself some chicken pot pies, whatever you want with them. Like I said, make sure you leave a comment down below if you want to see me make chicken pot pies using those ramekins. But until next time, God bless and happy eats.